Today, we're diving into the Phanteks Enthoo Pro ATX chassis, a sleek and versatile option for PC builders looking to take their rig to the next level. Sporting a brushed aluminum look and a tempered glass panel, this chassis not only looks premium but also provides a clean interior with hidden PSU and HDDs. One of the standout features of the Enthoo Pro is its easy accessibility to fans and dust filters, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, with Phanteks Velcro cable ties, cable management becomes less of a headache. But it's not just about looks and convenience. This chassis is also loaded with functionality. Equipped with an optical drive bay, reservoir mounts, and pump slots, it offers flexibility for various build configurations. In terms of connectivity, the front ports are well appointed with 2x USB 3.0, USB-C Gen 2, mic, headphone, reset, and an RGB switch, ensuring you're covered for all your peripherals. And for those who love to customize their lighting setup, the Enthoo Pro is compatible with Phanteks RGB LED strips and RGB motherboards, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for your gaming den. Installation is a breeze, with easy radiator and reservoir mounts, catering to both seasoned builders and newcomers alike. Overall, the Phanteks Enthoo Pro ATX chassis ticks all the boxes for a premium PC case, style, functionality, and ease of use. If you're in the market for the best of the best, look no further than the Enthoo Pro. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.